Finding good Nadex trades is very hard to do. Trading binary options is actually a lot more difficult than just traditional trading because of the time restrictions that you have on it. But using some indicators, you can find good opening positions for Nadex and binary options. One of the really good ones that I like that shows you a lot of good places to start trading is pivot points. If you've never used them before, it sets up a pivot, a resistance line, and a support line. A lot of times, it'll bounce off these lines. Now, as soon as you can see right here, it got close to the resistance line, and it returned. Once it broke the resistance line became a support line. This is calculated using a whole bunch of highs and lows of periods of time. Now, this is a hourly chart, and it's using weekly. And if you like this charting software, I suggest you check it out. It's known as TradingView, and I have a link in the description. And if you join, it's very helpful to my channel. But you can see right here, this would have been a perfect trade right here. This trade you may have missed. But it did come back over the support line for the week. So if you would have done a binary option for the weekly, you could have got it right there. You could have got it right here as well. You could have got it right here if you would have done a couple hours in the next afternoon. And you could have got it back up here if you just would have done for the weekly. Or you could have just done the weekly from the resistance. There's a lot of different trades that you can do with just basic resistance and support lines. You can get a lot of in the money trades or out of the money trades depending on where you are on the support and resistance line. Oftentimes you can just get them from singly hourly trades, like right here. Like right here. And right here you could have got the afternoon. Right here you could have got hourly and the afternoon. But it's just a good thing to look at pivot and resistance. But sometimes you might want to use another indicator to show a double confirmation on it. That's going to be all we'll go over for the day. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like and subscribe. It definitely helps the channel and helps me to continue making videos. And make sure to check out some other videos. Y'all have a good day.